Baby, I do your share, but you man, your mammy no money, me and no more. I was say a day, you may no more in our shame and answer. Now, you're strange and couple one more day to me, said your mobile year. Ye and no more, my mammy no me, I know me off as if for I love the one, I never show ma, I wore no mono, near Benny and I be repaid. Now, I could do your my messer, somebody a bonfire. Yet I was saying, Yammy, your body fit as here, I dare back one the chain nipper. And they say a bell near Dory, near Dorsu will be as I dare back one side the chain nipper view ya womre, say a bell war, for Nibian train. You were Egypt as a son, and son Egyptian midwives in the Bepano, not Israel for man, our wap or money or mother. And unti, what shall mamma? No one to me and Fadi Unya young cross so the other was said the Beya hospital at say ye war down ha. Baby, I am no man near me and no man, Yama no bell war. A radia see, ne at the moon, ye dear soa. You two shall say Yame, say one Casabrana baby hinny. Never more new Yamu 2 minutes in the Cassia. Ya bomb pie did you maybe I shall say, near the hospital in our can wash your answer, and can come baby, I am no man near Mammy do the Babel way. There be a sedan man with any animal ever boy you may be in Pahu. And what you may be a wood dear, one among two a Juma way. A radiman come kind and near pay him. One who a Pussian was if one in Arab. We see an old John Fatu also yes to Christ. Your bomb pie and ye didn't Mukase. Or don't point your me. A 15 net at the crop. Or baby a bell rasa danya or ma above 1 year CSA bell dear. A rather ongoing funny home funny my way. Dear, I watch ye woo and answer a war. Them or Barney Bewu and answer about Franny Bewudi. A free sably call yes to Kito Dimu chum. One fan can ye home brow boy. And unti ye dinner would be Mukase. A free naiqui. Or baby a bewu of Fiduemuha. Or baby a bewu hospital ha. Onyamen nam wadom so sua no say the Israel for e Egypt asase so no na wani onyamu e be wie pa yenti e be koso the aseda bi amawo.
And please, we need total renovation of this place. Looking at our window here, it's broken. Sometimes when it rains and the client is lying here, the rains come inside. And since it's a long time since we built this wall, so at least if help could come for us to renovate the wall so that it will be in cubicles, we would love to have it in that way. We really need your help. And this is the state of our windows. You cannot be close. You are unable to close them. And this is our last retreat.
That's the fourth one. Still an improvised instrument. No other thing. You really need yourself. This is an improvised resuscitation table where we resuscitate our babies, and it is in very poor condition. It doesn't make resuscitation very effective. It has no light. The phones are all turned. Thank you very much.
express what you've done for us. All that you can say that God it indicates that we are super happy. May the God of heaven bless you abundantly. We are so much grateful.
In fact, we are grateful, but before I continue with everything, I am Florence Sokoku, the acting DPN of that Advantage. We are very much grateful. In fact, we live expected peace, and if you've been able to have our thoughts in mind and you gathered something to come and support this activity, to serve one another and serve this environment. So we say, God richly bless you. And we hope that what you have provided us, our midwives are going to use it to work for the benefit of our patients who have been coming here. In fact, you saw the nature of the labor ward. You saw the pictures themselves. So if you've been able to provide us this, we also pray that you put it to good use. I believe my midwives, they will use it, and then the outcome always. We say God will bless you.
Thank you very much. Please applaud our guests. Okay. So I think the next thing is for you to go and share your things with them. And then after that we'll come the management team and then we'll make our way.
These are some of the instruments that we use. Look at it. The atomic unit. Not that we don't keep it neat, but because it has polyp in it, so we have used it for a very long time. So it's not even rusting. It's rusted. And the penguin too that we are talking, at least supposed to be connected, so that when you just put it in, you can really use it to fasten the baby well. But because it's not well connected, the air in it is very quick. So if you see yourself with an instrument, you love it very much.
Delivery instruments. I think it's a distributing set as well. There is a baby weighing scale. I think I took the largest 30 kg. I don't think the baby's weighing that much. Then we got 2 fetal Dopplers.
Okay, brilliant.
And then we got enough ultrasound gel to last them years.
Okay.
Yes, and that's about it. And then obviously all the bed that's behind us, donated by Nightingale Mental Association. And I think that's it.
Well done. In fact, my day was fulfilled, and everything that we set out to do was really accomplished. So, and as the chairman of the NNA, I'm quite happy and proud of what the diaspora team has done. We say kudos to all the diaspora team and also our partners who are the directors in Akim Government Hospital. They've been such a brilliant team and they have supported us immensely to make this program successful. God bless us all. Thank you.